2, 3, 2.
2, 3, 2.
3, 1, 1.
One back here. One back here. One back in the corner. One back in the corner. No. In the corner. Got one left. One more. One more. No, that's her. 2 left. No. Those are, they got those. Yeah. Got 2 more. 1, 2 more. Okay. One right here. 2 more, 2 left. Okay. All right.
3, 1, 0.
One left. One left. 2 more. 2 more.
2, 2, 0.
Okay, we have one more centerpiece. One more centerpiece.
3, 1, 7.
317. 317. Okay.
2, 2, 4, 3.
We have one last prize. It's a grand prize from Mount Airy Baptist Church. It's $25 cash.
That's for the person who has brought the most participants. So we can have people can let us know if you have who came with guests. That person who came with guests. Okay, how many guests did you bring? With 4. One person has 5 guests. One person has 5. Anybody have 6 guests? Okay. How many guests? I have the money. Okay, so it looks like we have one person who has 8 persons and one person who has 5. No? Okay, you have your guests stand up. How many of your guests? All your guests stand up. The guests of the person. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And where are your guests? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look looks like it's a tie, so we'll have to give 2 prizes. Right? Okay. And you the Okay, at this point, we thank you so much for your attendance here. And I think if you, as you heard, we have participants. We've had participants from the Multiple Myeloma Research Foundation. We want to thank them again for hosting us and choosing Mount Airy. We also have guests that hopefully we'll invite back to Mount Airy very soon to tell their story more fully. So listen out for further future invitations and information. And at this point, we appreciate your time and your evaluation. If you haven't finished it, let us know and we'll work together with you to get them finished. But this concludes the program, so thank you so much. And look to see you tomorrow at church, 10 a.m. 10 a.m. at church tomorrow here. 9:30. Church tomorrow, 9:30.